Pregnancy is a huge responsibility. It should be understood and preparations should be made to take up that responsibility in the mental and practical sphere. Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya on Punswan Sacrament. Sun is the symbol of mobility, brilliance, light and warmth. Its rays infuse life into the world. These qualities should also be developed in the child. Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya on Naming Sacrament. Book title Punswan or Namkaran Sanskar Paddhati. Child rearing and naming sacraments, methodology or rituals. What is sanskar and why is it referred to as sacrament? Sanskar, sometimes spelled as samskar. The word has its roots in Vedic literature, where the context suggests it simply means prepare, purify, perfect, either through action, speech or mind. Sanskar are ceremonies with the expression of outward symbols or signs for inner change and are generally done on significant life events. What is the purpose of sanskar? They serve a spiritual, cultural and psychological purpose, welcoming an individual into a stage of life, conferring privileges to the individual, expecting duties from the individual and impressing on the individual as well as the individual's social circle of his or her new role. The ultimate purpose is to inculcate virtues. The sanskaras, sacraments, are viewed in the Hindu tradition as means, not as ends, towards ripening and perfecting the human journey of life. What are the various types of sanskars? According to Hindu philosophies, there are a total of 32 sanskars, but out of these, only 16 sanskars are considered important. In ancient times, the birth of a child was not just important for husband and wife, but it was also an important social responsibility to have children. That's why at that time people used to follow all the 16 rites or sanskars. There is a complete compilation of all 16 sacraments in another book written by the author, Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya. However, this book from the ocean of his literature is addressing only two ceremonies, Punswan Sanskar and Namkaran Sanskar, for an easy execution of rituals. What is Punswan Sacrament? Punswan Sanskar is considered to be the second sacrament and is to be performed when pregnancy is confirmed and 3 months have passed. From the third month, the shape and brain of the child starts forming in the womb. Hence, it is important to do this ritual at 3 months, though it can be done at a later date as well, if not aware. The purpose of this sanskar is to guide and establish a conducive environment for the pregnant women where she can have healthy eating habits and routine and ethical living. Overall, a happy living environment to establish good moral values in the child whilst still in the womb. What is naming sacrament? The name of the child is not just the identification. Experts say that name affects the gross and subtle personality of a person deeply. Hence, it becomes significant to name a child thoughtfully. Along with giving a good name, it is important to create an environment for the child where the child flourishes and qualities of the name illuminates within him or her. Namkaran Sanskar is the first sacrament after the birth of the child. Through this sanskar and yajna, an effort is made to make the soul incarnated in the form of a child benefit from yajna. To liberate him or her from past life inferior sanskaras, making the soul feel grateful for pre-accumulated superior sanskaras and to look forward to developing virtues in present life. Few excerpts from the book. Introduction. Each ceremony has a complete ritual of Gayatri Havan, fire oblation. If a specific ceremony has a special method, it is mentioned at 3 places. Special worship after the defense method. After the offerings of Gayatri mantras, special offerings of rice pudding before the Swistkrit home. Fruits blessings before immersion. During pledge, the sanskar that has to be performed will be said. 2 ceremonies have been added to these books. In all the above 3 places, special preparations are described. Those who are performing the rituals should choose the part of the ceremonies to be performed and leave rest. If this thing is understood carefully, then there will be no hindrance in getting the rituals done. Punswan Sanskar, medicinal inhalation. Make a fine grinding of banyan buds and giloy. Extract the juice and make pregnant women smell the juice while reciting the following mantra. Om adabhya samhritah prithivye rasach vishvakarmanah samvartatagre tasya tvashta vidadadhrupameti tanmartasya devatvamajanamagre. Assurance. While reciting the following mantra, the husband places his right hand on the forehead of his pregnant wife. Om yante sasime hridaye hitmantah prajapatav manye aham mam tadvidvansam maham patra maghanyam. Naming ceremony. Sacred thread tying. While reciting the following mantra, the religious teacher ties sacred thread to the child. If the child is a boy, then around his waist, and if a girl, on her right hand. Om iyam duruktam paribadhamana varnam pavitram punatim aagat pranapanabhyam balmadadhana swasa devi subhaga mekhaleyam. The religious teacher writes a child's name on a bronze plate with vermilion or sandal and decorates it with flowers. Then everyone, while chanting Shri Varchasva mantra, bless the name with flowers. Shri Varchasva mayushyamaroogyam vidyachachobhamanam mahiyate dhanam dhanyam pashum bahu putra labham shat संवत्सरम दीर्घमायुः.